The U.S. House of Representatives is currently considering a controversial proposal from Republicans to eliminate the IRS and institute a national sales tax in its place. Reps. Wiley Nickel of North Carolina, Eric Sorensen of Illinois, and Brittany Pedersen of Colorado have announced a resolution opposing this proposed sales tax and instead pushing for a tax cut to benefit the middle class. At a press conference Wednesday, Nickel slammed the proposal, saying it would be a disaster for working families and individuals around the country who are already dealing with high gas prices, exorbitant housing costs, and the rising costs of goods and everyday services. Sorensen added that everyday Americans are struggling with the price of milk, eggs, and gas, and don't need an additional burden of a sales tax. The resolution put forth by Nickel, Sorensen, and Pedersen builds off of the work of Senators John Tester and Jackie Rosen, who introduced a similar Senate resolution in February. However, congressional resolutions are not binding, so it poses to be a symbolic gesture. The Fair Tax Act, the Republican proposal which puts forth a 23 to 30% tax on gross payments for taxable property, will replace the current system of income taxes and would go into effect in 2025 if passed. Republicans point to the plan as a way to simplify the tax code, saying it will encourage growth and innovation and respect taxpayers' rights to privacy. However, Vice President Kamala Harris has decried the plan, calling it an effort to allow too many millionaires, billionaires, and corporations to cheat the system. Additionally, the Congressional Budget Office estimates that the proposal will decrease federal spending by over $71 billion over the next 10 years, but also reduce tax revenue by over $185 billion and add $114 billion to the deficit. Pedersen says that the sales tax would hit those with lower incomes the hardest, as many are unable to save and would end up paying a disproportionate level of taxes. The three representatives concluded by advocating for their resolution and encouraging the House to pass it, as it will provide economic relief to middle-class families across America. Though the House has yet to bring the Fair Tax Act to the floor for a formal vote, the pushback from Democrats may force the House Republicans to reconsider the bill. In the meantime, Nickel, Sorensen, and Pedersen urged their colleagues to recognize the disastrous consequences a national sales tax would have on working families and individuals around the country.